Question 11 says, circle which of the ordered pairs is a solution to the linear equation y is equal to 2x plus 5. So they give us a lot of ordered pairs, and they want to know which ones are solutions to this equation, which graphically that means which one of these or which of these are points on this line. So this is kind of like just checking your work if you were to get the answer. If I plug in 1 into the equation, I want to get 7 back out. So let's try that. 2 times 1 plus 5, that does equal 7. So this would be a solution. If I take 2 times 3 plus 5, that equals 11. So because that's 11, that means that this is a solution, or a point on that line. 2 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. That is not 10. So this would not be a solution. If we try negative 4, 2 times negative 4 plus 5 is equal to negative 3, which that's what they have for y there. 2 times negative 2 plus 5 is equal to a positive 1, which is not 7. So that is not a solution. And then lastly, 44. 2 times 44 plus 5, that is 93. So this would be a solution. So plug in the x values, and if you get the corresponding y values, then it's a solution. Then it's actually on that line. But if you get a different value, then it's not a point on that line, and it's not a solution to that equation.